Imagine if you received $86,400 every morning and you had to spend it all within the day. Otherwise, it would disappear. Would you waste even a single dollar? No, right? But that's exactly what we do every single day. We have 86,400 seconds every day, and most of us waste them on social media, laziness, useless thoughts, and then regret later. If you want to change your life, you must understand the value of time. Because once time is gone, it never comes back. So today in this video, we will learn how to stop wasting time and improve your life. Part 1. Why is time precious? Time is not money. Time is life. Many people say, time is money. But the truth is, time is life. If you have a lot of money but no health or time, can you be happy? No. But if you have time, you can earn money, success, happiness, everything. Wasting time means wasting life. Every second is valuable. Every minute is important. Every hour can change your destiny. Part 2. Why do people waste their time? You might wonder, if time is so precious, then why do people waste it? There are some reasons behind this. Number 1. Procrastination, delaying work. The "I'll do it tomorrow" mindset destroys every dream. Number 2. Distractions, getting distracted easily. Social media, games, TV, meaningless gossip. Number 3. Lack of goals, no clear vision. If you don't know what you want to do, how will you use your time wisely? Number 4. Fear of failure, fear of losing. People think, what if I fail? And because of this fear, they do nothing. Part 3. How to use your time wisely. Now the question is, how to use your time properly and change your life. Number 1. Set goals and make an action plan. If you don't know what to do, your time will automatically get wasted. Write down clear goals, and for example, I want to get fit in the next 6 months. Make a daily plan. For example, wake up at 6 a.m., exercise for 30 minutes, study for 1 hour. Start taking action. Remember, knowledge is power, but action is superpower. Number 2, use the time blocking method. Have you ever felt that the entire day passed, but you did nothing? Follow the time blocking technique. Divide your day into small time blocks. For example, 8 to 10 a.m. for study, 10 to 12 p.m. for work, 3 to 5 p.m. for the gym. Fix a time for social media and unnecessary things. Spending all day on the phone won't help. Number 3, follow the 80-20 rule. Did you know that 80% of results come from just 20% of efforts? That's why you should focus on the 20% tasks that can change your life. Identify the most important tasks in your studies or work. Cut out unnecessary activities. Number 4, avoid social media and distractions. Do you know that, on average, a person wastes 3 to 4 hours daily just on their phone? Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Don't just waste time, use them for learning. Try a social media detox. Spend 1 day a week without your phone. Turn on focus mode. When studying or working, focus only on that. Number 5, wake up early and have a productive morning. People who wake up early are more successful. Start your morning with exercise, meditation, and planning. Avoid checking your phone immediately after waking up. Checking your phone first thing in the morning is the biggest mistake. Start your day with a positive mindset. Part 4, how to completely change your life. Whatever we have learned so far, just reading it won't change anything. You have to apply it. Number 1, make small changes. You don't need big changes. Small changes bring huge success. Learn for 30 minutes daily. Write down your goals for 10 minutes every day. Work with full focus for 1 hour daily. Number 2, develop self-discipline. Discipline is more important than motivation. Wake up at the same time every day. Work at the same time every day. Keep your promises to yourself. Number 3, improve by 1% every day. If you improve just 1% daily, then in 1 year, you will be 37 times better. Friends, today's biggest lesson is understand the value of time because it never comes back. From today, you have to decide, am I wasting my time? Am I moving towards my dreams? Am I making my days better? Remember, one right step today can change your entire future. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to the channel for more motivational videos. Now get up, move towards your dreams, and never waste your time.